Linking your bank account to Ally Invest is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your investment account easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Ally Invest account. Visit the Ally Invest website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, look for the funding or transfer funds section in your account dashboard. This is where you will find options to link your bank account. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the funding section, find and select the option to link a new bank account. This will prompt you to enter your bank information. Step 4. Enter bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, confirm the information and submit your request. Ally Invest may require verification, which could involve small test deposits to ensure the account is linked successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Ally Invest account, allowing you to transfer funds easily. If you encounter any issues, consult Ally Invest's customer support for assistance.